Question 4 is one of these questions you either get straight away or you spend loads of time working out flows and volumes and hours taken for these pumps to fill a tank. What we've got to do first of all is to find how many hours one pump would take to fill the tank. Restating the first line, it takes 14 hours using 5 pumps to fill a tank. So if we've only got one pump, how many hours would that require to fill the tank? Well, it would be 14 times 5 hours, which is equal to 70 hours. So how many hours will 4 pumps take? Well, they will take 70 hours divided by 4. And that turns out to be 17.5 hours. And that will be your answer.